tensions escalated between Brazil and Elon Musk's business empire on Monday, as the country's telecom regulator threatened to sanction his satellite broadband company Starlink. The news comes hours after the Supreme Court upheld a controversial decision to ban his social network X from the country. The court ruled it allowed the spread of hate messages and falsehoods about Brazil's electronic voting system that undermined the country's democracy. On Monday, Brazilian President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva told CNN Brazil, quote, "The Brazilian judiciary may have given an important signal that the world is not obliged to put up with Musk's far-right ideology just because he is rich." In response to the judge's earlier move to freeze Starlink's accounts for possible use to pay fines owed by X, Musk threatened reciprocal asset seizures in Brazil, but did not say how. Starlink on Monday again found itself in Brazilian authorities' crosshairs after refusing to comply with an order for all internet providers to block domestic access to X. This led telecommunications regulator Anatel to threaten sanctions for non-compliance, which could include revoking its operating license. Anatel is also inspecting all telecom operators for compliance, with Starlink being the only one that's not cooperating. The firm did not immediately respond to a request for comment on Monday. Earlier, the Supreme Court unanimously upheld X's suspension for failing to appoint a local legal representative. With 21.5 million users, Brazil is the social network's sixth largest market.
Social media platform X has been immediately suspended from use in Brazil. The decision comes amid a legal battle over the Elon Musk-owned company's compliance with local laws. On Friday, a Supreme Court judge in Brazil ordered the suspension until all related court orders on X were complied with, including the payment of fines amounting to over $3 million and the nomination of a legal representative in Brazil. In an interview with a local radio station, Brazilian President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva said Musk needed to respect Brazilian authorities.
He cannot keep offending presidents, offending deputies, offending senators, offending the Congress, offending the Supreme Court. Who does he think he is? Who does he think he is? The next thing is he needs to respect the decision of the Brazilian Supreme Court.
The judge's order is the latest chapter in an ongoing feud between the Brazilian Supreme Court justice and Musk. It follows the freezing of Brazilian bank accounts belonging to satellite internet provider Starlink, which is 40% owned by Musk. In a bid to avoid the use of virtual private networks or VPNs to circumvent the blockage, the judge said that individuals or companies who tried to keep access to the social network that way could be fined up to 50,000 rials, or close to $9,000 a day. Musk, denouncing the order as censorship, responded by closing the platform's offices in Brazil. X, formerly known as Twitter, said at the time that its services would still be available in Brazil.